Hello students, good morning. Welcome to the next video of coordinate geometry class. Today we will discuss perpendicular distance from a point to the given line and some problem. Previous class we discussed about what is the angle between two lines, condition for two lines are parallel, condition for two lines are perpendicular, and three lines are concurrent, some problems. So before starting, first we start Brahmanath. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. So perpendicular distance from a point to the line perpendicular distance of a point from line, from a line. Okay. The length of the perpendicular distance of a point P of x1 y1 from the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is the general form of the equation line is ax1 plus by1 plus c by root over a square plus b square mode. Okay, this is the perpendicular distance from this point to the line. Now we prove this one. Okay, this is the coordinate axis x o x dash, and this is known as y o y dash. Suppose here point is given p of x1 comma y1, and this is a line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is a line ax plus by plus c equal to 0, and this line intercepted to the x axis at a capital A and intercepted to the y axis at a capital B. OA is known as x intercept and OB is the y intercept. You know the x intercept constant term by the coefficient of x. So the x intercept is c, constant term, c by minus a, minus c by a minus constant term by the coefficient of x, and the y intercept is minus c by b. So minus c by b. So the coordinate of a equal to minus c by a comma 0, and the coordinate of b is 0 comma the y intercept, so 0 comma minus c by b. Okay. So we find the perpendicular distance means you have to find, suppose this is a point P. So perpendicular distance means you have to draw a perpendicular line from this point P to the given line. P point to a line upar ko perpendicular draw karo. So P m is the foot of the perpendicular on the given line, and this distance Pm is called length of the perpendicular. So how to find its distance? First you have to joining this point P to A. P point to A point को join करो, since P point to B को join करो. Okay. So after joining this point from P to A and P to B, you will get a triangle PAB. So in that triangle PM is known as perpendicular, okay, perpendicular, and AB is the base of this triangle. You know the triangle, its area is length into height, length into breadth. So here perpendicular means PM, this is the length, and breadth hochi tomaro AB. Okay. So you can determine the area of a triangle by using vertices of a coordinate. So half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. देखो ये कौन कला आम ये जो ट्रायंगल आसला पी पॉइंट है ए पॉइंट कोऑर्डिनेट जना पड़ला बी पॉइंट कोऑर्डिनेट जना पड़ला तेणु पी एमटा ए ट्रायंगल कौन हम हाइटा हम यहाँ हूँ तुम ब्रेड्थटा ना कि तेणु ट्रायंगल एरिया तुम हाफ इंटू लेंथ इंटू ब्रेड्थ एमती बाहर कर और एरिया फॉर ट्रायंगल बाय यूजिंग 3 पॉइंट फॉर्मूला 3 वर्टिसेस तेणु दुईटाक मेथड जो एरियाटा बाहर कर दैट आर इक्वल तेणु इक्वल करदे दुईटाक आंसर को जब इक्वटिंग करदे यू विल गेट द लेंथ ऑफ द परपेंडिकुलर पीएम. ओके सो एरिया of a triangle, area of a triangle PAB equal to half into length into breadth, है length perpendicular into breadth, length into breadth. So half into length टा होची तमरो that is the perpendicular side है PM and breadth होची AB into AB which is equal to half into PM is the perpendicular. So AB होची root over AB, the distance AB equal to x coordinate difference of square, तो minus c by a minus 0 square plus 0 y coordinate difference 0 comma minus or minus तो plus c by b rho square. So half into pm into root over c square by a square plus c square by b square. तो half into pm into c square take it common outside in a bracket. So 1 by a square plus 1 by b square. Okay. So half into pm into c into root over b square plus a square by a square b square which is equal to half into c into pm by ab into root over a square plus b square. Okay. Next area for triangle again area of a triangle PAB equal to half into x1 into y2 minus y3. Let it be considered x1 y1 and this is x2 y2 and this is x3 y3. So half into x1 into y2 minus y3 0 minus or minus c by b. So 0 plus c by b plus x2 means minus c by a into y2 minus y3. So y2 minus okay x2 into y3 minus y1 तो minus c by b. Okay so x2 into y3 means minus c by b minus y1 plus x3 तो x3 means 0 तो 0 into something 0 এটা total 0 हो गला. Okay which is equal to half into now multiply this one cx1 by b এটা কত হচ্ছে প্লাস সি স্কোয়ার বাই এ বি প্লাস সি ওয়াই ওয়ান বাই এ ওকে নাও তো টেক ইট এলসিএম এ বি দেখো এটি হাফ ইন্টু এটি এ বি এলসিএম নেইছ সো এ বি এলসিএম নেলে এটা কত হচ্ছে এ এক্স ওয়ান সি হব প্লাস সি স্কোয়ার হব প্লাস BC y1 हम BC y1 हम ओके तो एट फेर सी टा कॉमन नहीं जो which is equal to c by 2ab into ax1 plus by1 plus c, okay, plus c. This is the area of a triangle. So area of a triangle, this is area of a triangle, this is also area of a triangle, but these two answers are equal. These two answers are equal. So area of a triangle in two different methods are must be equal. That implied half c into pm by ab. Pm is the perpendicular from this point P on the line equal to into root over a square plus b square into root over plus a square plus b square equal to c by 2ab. C by 2ab into ax1 plus by1 plus c. Okay. So c by ab cancel, ये 2 cancel. That implied pm equal to ax1 plus by1 plus c by root over a square plus b square. A square plus b square. Its distance never be negative, so we take its modulus value. If it will be negative, then take it modulus to make positive. So the perpendicular distance from this point P of x1 y1 to the given line is ax1 plus by1 plus c by root over a square plus b square. Suppose if this point is 0 0, if P equal to 0 0, then what will be perpendicular distance from this point to the line? So a into 0 plus b into 0 plus c by root over a square plus b square. Note perpendicular distance, note, so perpendicular distance from origin to the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is a into 0 plus b into 0 plus c. So c by root over a square plus b square mode. Okay. So perpendicular distance is c by constant term by root over a square plus b square. Do you understand? Next, what will be distance between two parallel lines? Note 2. Distance between two parallel lines. Okay. So this is one line, this is the another line. Its equation is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Since this line is parallel to this line, so its equation will be ax plus by plus k equal to 0. So how to find perpendicular distance between two parallel lines? Means you can take any point on the first line and to find its perpendicular distance from this point to the second line. So these are parallel line रो distance माने parallel line distance माने distance टा सबुडी समान होबो ना नहीं जे कोनसी point to a line प्रति perpendicular distance टा होछि तमरो distance between two parallel lines. So a line रो जे कोनसी point to a line प्रति तमे distance टा बाहर करियो, or you can take also any point on this line to find its distance. Okay. तो ए लाइन रो पॉइंट आमे नेबा देखो ए लाइन रो पॉइंट नेबी यार पॉइंट माने ई पटा के x इक्वल टू 0 नै जिया तो x कोर्डिनेट जदि हमें 0 नेबा y टा केता आसियो -e/b तो ए पॉइंट टू लाइन प्रति डिस्टेंस बाहर कर दियो डिस्टेंस माने ए पॉइंट टा धरि रे लाइन रो इक्वेशन में पकेबो बाय रूट ओवर a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर a * 0 ला 0 प्लस b * केता हो -e/b प्लस k बाय रूट ओवर a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर. देखो ए लाइन रो इनफिनिटा पॉइंट अच्छे आम गोटे पॉइंट नेबा गोटे पॉइंट मुझे एक्सट्रा 0 करदेली वाईटा पलि आसला तेणु ए पॉइंट टू लाइन प्रति मु डिस्टेंसटा बाहर कर परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस एज पर अकॉर्डिंग टू फॉर्मूला ax1 तो एक्सट्रा दैट 0 पड़ो प्लस b इंटू वाई कोर्डिनेटा पड़ो -e/b प्लस k बाय रूट ओवर a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर तो प्लस b माइनस b कैंसल व्हिच इज इक्वल टू k - c बाय रूट ओवर a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर. तो डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू पैरेलल लाइन्स इज k minus c by root over a square plus b square, or you can take also c minus k because distance never be negative. So distance between two parallel line equal to c minus k by root over a square plus b square. But remember one point, जो दीटा लाइन पैरेलल होते मीन्स इधर a1 by a2 इक्वल टू b1 by b2 रेशियोटा सेम हो पारे ना नहीं रेशियोटा प्रोपोर्शनल होती और सेम थी जदि प्रोपोर्शनल थी फास्ट यू हैव टू मेक सेम नंबर तेणु आर एक्स कोफिशिएंट को आर एक्स कोफिशिएंट सामान कर आर वाई कोफिशिएंट को आर वाई कोफिशिएंट सामान सेम कर हाउ टू मेक सेम बाय टेकिंग कॉमन कॉमन काला हम बा गोटे कॉन्स्टेंट नंबर टी मल्टीप्लाई कले कौन हो देखिए सामान कला कॉन्स्टेंट डिफरेंस बाय रूट ऑफ ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर ओके तेणु ए गोटे पॉइंट रु ए लाइन प्रति डिस्टेंस होची पॉइंटा धरी लाइन इक्वेशन पकेब ए एक्स वन प्लस बी वाई वन प्लस सी बाय रूट ऑफ ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर आउ डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम ओरिजिन होते कांस्टेंट टर्म बाय रूट ऑफ ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर ओके नाउ वी डू सम प्रॉब्लम्स यूजिंग दिस फॉर्मूला find k if the distance means perpendicular distance of minus 1 comma k from the line is 3 ये जो लाइन टा अच्छी 5x plus 12y plus 8 equal to 0 तो the perpendicular distance from this point minus 1 comma k to the line is 3 then the value of k equal to what answer so perpendicular distance equal to 3 perpendicular distance equal to 3 that implied you know the perpendicular distance from point to the line तेणु पॉइंट टा नहीं लाइन रे सब्स्टिट्यूट कर नहीं तो 5 इंटू माइनस 1 प्लस 12 इंटू के प्लस 8 बाय x1 प्लस by1 प्लस c मैंने पॉइंटा लाइन रे सब्स्टिट्यूट कर बाय रूट ओवर ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर 5 स्क्वायर 25 प्लस 12 स्क्वायर 144 रिमूव्ड इक्वल टू 3 that implied 5 into minus 1 minus 5 plus 12k plus 8 by 169 13 होगा equal to plus or minus 3 if we taking modulus then you will get plus or minus 3 तो 12k है 12k plus 3 by 13 equal to what is plus 3 12k plus 3 by 13 equal to 3 or 12k plus 3 by 13 equal to minus 3 that implied 12k equal to 13 into 3 13 into 3 39 minus 3 so 12k equal to 36 k equal to 3 or 12k plus 3 equal to minus 39 so 12k equal to minus 39 minus 3 minus 42 so k equal to 42 नहीं तो minus 42 तो minus 39 तो minus 39 minus 3 तो minus 42 ये minus 42 by 12 है 4 3 जा 4 1 है ये 14 है सॉरी 3 4 जा एटा 3 रे कटि दियो 3 4 एटा 3 14 so which is equal to एटा से 2 2 2 7 होगा so this is a minus 7 by 2 so k equal to minus 7 by 2 or k equal to 3 okay next find the equation of the line parallel to the line 5x minus 12y plus 26 equal to 0 and is at a distance 4 units from it so answer 2 देखो here the given line so line is a 5x its equation 5x minus 12y plus 26 equal to 0 now we find another line which is a parallel to this given line and the distance between them ताको भितर distance टा अछि केतो अछि तो distance between them equal to 4 so you know equation of the line parallel to the given line will be 5x minus 12y plus k equal to 0 नहीं कि and its distance between them equal to 4 so you know the distance between them c minus k by root of a square plus b square that is the k minus 26 by root over a square plus b square. तो 5 रो स्क्वायर प्लस माइनस 12 रो स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 4 तो k minus 26 by 13 इक्वल टू प्लस और माइनस 4 तो k minus 26 इक्वल टू प्लस और माइनस 52 तो k minus 26 इक्वल टू 152 और k minus 26 इक्वल टू माइनस 52. सो k इक्वल टू 52 प्लस 26 और k इक्वल टू माइनस 52 प्लस 26 है. सो ये k आसो के सो 78 आसला और k इक्वल टू माइनस 26. Therefore the equation of parallel line, equation of parallel lines. तो 5x माइनस 12y है केयर भैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दियो ये पकई दियो 5x माइनस 12y प्लस 78 इक्वल टू 0 गोटे आसियो और 5x माइनस 12y माइनस 26 इक्वल टू 0 कहीं गोटे लाइन एपट बिलो रउ लाइन एभव रमती भी आर भी डिस्टेंस 4 हम. सो यहाँ गिवन लाइन एल अच्छी L1 गोटे आसो L2 गोटे आसो दीटा लाइन आसो है. नेक्स्ट थर्ड वन इज फाइंड द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू लाइन्स 3x प्लस 4y प्लस 5 इक्वल टू 0 एंड 6x प्लस 8y प्लस 34 इक्वल टू 0. देखो हियर a1 by a2 3 by 6 b1 by b2 4 by 8 इक्वल टू 1 by 2. सो दिस टू लाइन्स आर पैरेलल. तो पैरेलल हेले आंकर डिस्टेंस बाहर करिया पड़ियो. तो c माइनस k कांस्टेंट डिफरेंस बाय रूट ऑफ a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर मीन्स फर्स्ट यू हैव टू मेक द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x एंड y बोथ आर इक्वल. तेणु दुईटा लाइन कोफिशिएंट को इक्वल कर दे आर पैरेलल. देखो ये लाइन अच्छी ये लाइन यहाँ 3x प्लस 4y प्लस 5 इक्वल टू 0 अच्छी यहाँ अच्छे 6x प्लस 8y प्लस 34 इक्वल टू 0. हियर a1 by a2 इक्वल टू b1 by b2 बट डिस्टेंस कला बेले कोफिशिएंट को इक्वल करिया पड़ो सेम करिया पड़ो. तो ये आम दैट इज यहाँ तुम 2 कॉमन नहीं जो. सो 3x प्लस 4y प्लस 17 इक्वल टू 0 देन यू कैन फाइंड डिस्टेंस बिटवीन दिस टू लाइन c माइनस k. तो डिस्टेंस होचे डिस्टेंस इक्वल टू c माइनस k मीन्स 17 माइनस 5 और यू कैन टेक 5 माइनस 17. तो 17 माइनस 5 बाई रूट ओवर a स्क्वायर 3 रो स्क्वायर 9 प्लस b रो स्क्वायर 4 रो स्क्वायर 16. ओके रिमोट. तो 17 माइनस 5 12 तो 12 बाई 5 12 बाई 5 remote which is equal to 12 by 5. The distance between them equal to 12 by 5. Okay. Next we will do another. If P and Q are length of perpendicular from origin to the line x cos theta minus y sin theta equal to a cos 2 theta and x sec theta plus y cosec theta equal to a respectively, prove that p square plus 4p square equal to a square. तो p the perpendicular distance from origin to this line. तो फर्स्ट हमें p बाहर करिया आंसर. p is the perpendicular distance from origin to x cos theta minus y sin theta equal to a cos 2 theta is कौन हम origin to length of the perpendicular distance constant term by root over a square plus b square. Here the constant term is a cos 2 theta but you take in the left side because the general form is ax plus by plus c equal to 0 equal to a cos 2 theta means equal to 0 कर दियो minus a cos 2 theta. तो c by root over a square plus b square. तो c means minus a cos 2 theta constant term by root over x रो coefficient square cos square theta plus y रो coefficient square minus sin square theta minus sin theta रो whole square means sin square theta. रो मोड which is equal to a cos 2 theta by cos square theta plus sin square theta 1 है तो a cos 2 theta. So p equal to a cos 2 theta. Q is the perpendicular distance from origin to the line x sec theta plus y cosec theta equal to a, that means minus a equal to 0 is like that. Similarly, constant term means minus a by root of a square plus b square, thus x square theta plus cos x square theta mode, okay, because distance never be negative. So minus a mode equal to a into sec square theta plus cos x square theta or root of it. So make it a sin cos, आपको sin cos रे convert कले कौन होगा ना a by root of 1 by cos square theta plus 1 by sin square theta, okay. So simplify it, so it has you a cos theta into sin theta by root of sin square theta plus cos square theta, sin square theta plus cos square theta, which is equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta 1 Allah and a cos 2 theta. So a cos theta into sin theta. You know sin theta into cos theta means you have to multiply 2 and divide 2. So a into 2 ना multiply कले टे कौन होती है sin 2 theta ला by 2 ला. तो a sin 2 theta by 2. So p equal to a cos 2 theta and q equal to a sin 2 theta by 2 as per condition p square plus 4p square, p square plus 4q square, p square plus 4q square equal to p square means a cos 2 theta rho square a square cos square 2 theta plus 4 into q square means a square sin square 2 theta by 4 Allah. A 4 cancel, so a square take it common cos square 2 theta plus sin square 2 theta, but cos square 2 theta plus sin square 2 theta 1, that is a square. So p square plus 4q square equal to a square, okay. You know the perpendicular distance from origin to the line means constant term by root of x ro coefficient square plus y ro coefficient square, okay. Next, find the equation of two straight lines passing through the point 1, -1 and inclined at an angle 45 degree to the line 2x minus 5y plus 7 equal to 0. Okay. So, suppose this is a line, its equation is 2x minus 5y plus 7 equal to 0. We find two equation of line passing through the point 1, -1, suppose this is the given point and this line, one line, okay. So this is a line passing through the point capital A of 1, -1, and this is the another line is also another line. So this line makes an angle 45 degree with the line 2x minus 5y plus 7 equal to 0. This is L1 and this is L2. So L2 is also makes an angle 45 degree with the given line 2x minus 5y plus 7 equal to 0. If this angle 45 degree and this one is 45 degree, so naturally this angle is 90 degree, means these two line L1 and L2 must be perpendicular to each other, okay. So to find the equation of a line, one is we required 1 point and a slope ना नहीं, तो लाइन इक्वेशन बाहर करिया गले आमको गोटे पॉइंट दरकार आउ स्लोप दरकार, ये पॉइंट अवेलेबल अच्छी किंतु स्लोप जना ना ना कि किंतु आमको भीतर एंगल लगे तो 45 डिग्री. सो वी टेक द स्लोप ऑफ L1 इक्वल टू m. If slope of L1 equal to m, then what will be slope of L2? Naturally it will be minus 1 by m, because L1 and L2 must be perpendicular, okay. So first we take let m be the slope of L1. Let m be the slope of line, slope of required one line, slope of one required line, L1 equal to m. So the slope of L2, slope of L2 must be minus 1 by m. Okay. Slope of given line 2x minus 5y plus 7 equal to 0 is, you know, the slope of the line is minus a by b. So minus 2 by minus 5, 2 by 5. Okay. So 45 degree the angle between L1 and L2. 45 degree is angle between L1 and given line 2x minus 5y plus 7 equal to 0. Okay. Also L2 and 2x minus 5y plus 7 equal to 0. So tan 45 degree, tan theta equal to mode of or plus or minus m2 minus m1 plus or minus m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 into m2, where m2 is the slope of first line or slope of second line and m1 be the slope of the first line. So plus or minus m2, let it be considered this is the m1 uchi m and m2 uchi minus 1 by m, or you can take m2 equal to m. Okay. So m2 hochi m, a line to slope hochi m1 equal to 2 by 5, m1 equal to 2 by 5. Okay. So m minus 2 by 5 देखो ए गोटे लाइन टू स्लोप, एटा गोटे लाइन टू स्लोप आंक भितर एंगल लाउची तमरा 45 डिग्री. सो आमे m2 equal to m नेबा, let it be considered m2 and let it be considered this is m1. Okay. So m2 means m minus m1 means 2 by 5 by 1 plus m1 into m2. So m1 means 2 by 5 into m2 means m, which is equal to plus or minus 5m minus 2, LCM 5 ADB LCM 5, so 5 plus 2m. So tan 45 degree equal to 1, that implied 1 equal to, so 5m minus 2 by 5 plus 2m equal to 1, or 5m minus 2 by 5 plus 2m equal to minus 1. So 5m minus 2 equal to 5 plus 2m, 5m minus 2m 3m. So 5m minus 2m equal to 5 plus 2, so m equal to 7, or m equal to एटा केता आसीबो, एडु आसीबो 5m minus 2 equal to minus 5 minus 2m, तो 5m plus 2m minus 5 plus 2, so 7m equal to minus 3, that implied m equal to minus 3 by 7. So slope of required line जदि m टा 7 हम है, स्लोप ऑफ L1 इक्वल टू 7 हेले, स्लोप ऑफ L2 होची माइनस 1 बाय m. सो फॉर m इक्वल टू 7, m टा जदि आम 7 कंसीडर करबा तो स्लोप ऑफ L1 होची 7 हेला, स्लोप ऑफ L2 होची माइनस 1 बाय m ना कि, तो स्लोप ऑफ L1 होची 7, स्लोप ऑफ L2 equal to minus 1 by 7. Since the m that minus 3 by 7 negative m2 da L slope of L1 slope of L2 bar करिए तमे you can find another line L2 ना नहीं. सो इक्वेशन ऑफ द लाइन तेणु दुईटा लाइन पचार आम L1 इक्वेशन बाहर करवा L2 इक्वेशन बाहर करवा फॉर एमटा 7 ने गोटे आसो जब एमटा -3/7 नेबा यू विल गेट अनदर 2 लाइन्स ना नहीं अच्छा देयरफॉर इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन सो इक्वेशन ऑफ L1 means passing through the point 1 comma -1 having slope 7. Equation of L1 is y minus y1 means -1 equal to m. M means 7 into x minus 1. Okay. So y plus 1 equal to 7x. नहीं so y plus 1 equal to y minus y1 equal to m means 7 into एटा -7 है तो 7x minus y minus 8 equal to 0. This is the equation of L1 and equation of L2. Equation of L2 is y minus y1 means -1 equal to m into x minus x1 m लगा -1/7 into y minus y1 sorry x minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1 तो 7y plus 7 equal to minus x plus 1 that implied x plus 7y minus 6 equal to 0 sorry plus 7 minus 1 6 equal to 0. This is the line L2 equation of L2 and this one is equal to equation of L1 है ना same the एमटा -3/7 नहीं you will get another 2 lines also. So equation of these 2 lines one is 7x minus y minus 8 equal to 0 and other will be x plus 7y plus 6 equal to 0. Sorry some mistake is there ये 5m minus 2m तो 5m minus 2m equal to 3m. Okay, so 3m equal to 7 that means m equal to 7/3. तो m equal to 7/3 means तो slope of L1 होचे 7/3 and the slope of L2 will be -3/7. Similarly in such case here m equal to -3/7 है so m टा जो 7/3 हम तो स्लोप ऑफ L1 कौन होचे 7/3 एंड स्लोप ऑफ L2 होचे -3/7 हम ना कि जदि m टा -3/7 नेबा यू विल गेट स्लोप ऑफ L1 जदि -7/3 हम स्लोप ऑफ L2 होचे 7/3 so they are both are equal. Okay, so therefore the equation of L1 equal to एटा कौन लिखा 7/3 लिखा 7/3 हेले so 3y plus 3 equal to 7x minus 7 that means 7x minus 3y 7x minus 3y ये -7 -3 -10 तो -10 equal to 0. Similarly equation of L2 that is y minus y1 equal to it कौन पड़े L2 रो स्लोप टा होचे -3/7 एटा हम -3/7 तो 7y plus 7 equal to -3x plus 3 हम है ना तो एटा होची 3x plus 7y plus 10 है ना so both are equal तेणु दुटा इक्वेशन हम एमटा तुम 7/3 आसो और -3/7. Okay, next we do another question that is find the equation of a straight line passes through the origin and the points of a trisection of the portion of the line 3x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0 intercepted between the coordinate axes. Do you understand? देखो this is the given equation of line 3x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. ए लाइन टा जो कोऑर्डिनेट एक्सिस को इंटरसेप्ट करिवो इंटरसेप्ट कला द लेंथ ऑफ द पोर्शन इंटरसेप्टेड बिटवीन द कोऑर्डिनेट एक्सिस है इंटरसेप्ट कलापर जी अंश इंटरसेप्ट करछि से पार्टर ट्राइसेक्शन पॉइंट मीन्स देर आर टू ट्राइसेक्शन पॉइंट दीटा पॉइंट आसो गोटे पॉइंट 1:2 इंटरसेप्ट कर आउ गोटे 2:1 इंटरसेप्ट कर से दीटा ट्राइसेक्शन पॉइंट दे पास कर या ओरिजिन दे पास कर बुझे ना डू यू अंडरस्टैंड जो आम लाइन इक्वेशन बाहर करिया जो लाइनटा ओरिजिन दे पास कर आउ ए लाइनटा कोऑर्डिनेट एक्सिस को इंटरसेप्ट कलापर जी पार्ट इंटरसेप्ट करती पार्टर ट्राइसेक्शन पॉइंट दे पास कर देख वी ड्रॉ दिस फिगर फर्स्ट वी राइट द इक्वेशन ऑफ गिवन लाइन इनटू इंटरसेप्ट फॉर्म दैट इज 3x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. Its intercept form is 3x plus 4y equal to 12 that implied 3x by 12 plus 4y by 12 equal to 1 that implied x by 4 plus y by 3 equal to 1. That means here x intercept is 4 and y intercept is 3. As we draw this figure, it has a coordinate axis. This is x o x dash and this is known as y o y dash. Suppose this is a line intercepted between the coordinate axis. तो x axis को a point intercept करला, y axis को b point intercept करछि. So ये जो लाइन टा अछि 3x plus 4y 3x plus 4y equal to 12. That means here x intercept is 4 and y intercept is 3. That means the coordinate of b 0 3 and the coordinate of a is 4 0. Okay, do you understand? 4 0. Here two trisection point, one this point trisection, other is a trisection point. P be the trisection of AB which divide in the ratio 1:2. Q is the other trisection point which divide AB in the ratio 2:1. So what is the coordinate of the point of P? Let P and Q are two trisection points, are two trisection points of AB. This AB is known as the length of the portion intercepted between the coordinate axis. Okay, जतलो लाइन दा कोऑर्डिनेट एक्सिस इंटरसेप्ट कला AB दा होचे तमरो लेंथ ऑफ द पोर्शन. So coordinate which divides P and Q are two trisection points of AB which divides in the ratio 1:2 and 2:1 respectively. So P point coordinate of P equal to what is the coordinate of P? देखो P point AB को 1:2 रे इंटरसेक्ट करछि ऊपर लिखा है तो 1:2 मीन्स 2 into 4 के तब 8 plus 1 into 0 1 into 0 होछि 0 नहीं और एमदे लिखि दियो नलेटा 2 into 4 mx2 plus nx1 2 into 4 plus 1 into 0 by 2 plus 1. Similarly y coordinate साथ मल्टीप्लाई करियो y into 0 plus 1 into 3 तो 2 into 0 plus 1 into 3 1 into 3 by 2 plus 1. Okay, तो 2 into 4 8 by 3 है एटा 3 by 3 है. So 3 by 3 equal to 1 which is equal to 8 by 3 comma 1 है. Next coordinate of Q. तो Q पॉइंट कौन करछि 2:1 इंटरसेक्ट करछि का 8 2 भाग है 20 भाग होछि तो Q पॉइंट कोऑर्डिनेट है 1 into 4 फर्स्ट x कोऑर्डिनेट मल्टीप्लाई करियो mx2 plus nx1 तो 1 into 4 प्लस देखो 1 into 4 है प्लस 2 into 0 by 1 plus 2 comma 1 into 0 plus 2 into 3 plus 2 into 3 by 1 plus 2 है. So ये 4 by 3 है एटा 3 इंटू 2 6 6/3 तो 6/3 हूँ 2 है ना. So now we find the equation which is passing through the origin and adult line as to L1 and other line will be this one. एटा होची another line है ना. ए लाइन होची तमरो L2 एमती धीरे लाइन हमें बाहर करवा. You know equation of the line passing through the origin is y equal to mx where m is the slope of the line. So what is the slope of OP? So slope of OP equal to here the coordinate of P होची केते 8/3, 1 तो P पॉइंट कोऑर्डिनेट केते आसला 8/3, 1 हला आ Q पॉइंट कोऑर्डिनेट आसला Q पॉइंट कोऑर्डिनेट हला 4/3, 2. So slope of OP means y2 minus the coordinate of origin is 0, 0. तो y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. तो 1 minus 0 by x coordinate difference 8/3 minus 0 which is equal to 3/8 है. And slope of OQ होची है y2 minus y1 means 2 minus 0 by 4/3 minus 0. So 2 minus 0 by 4/3 minus 0 तो 2 into 3 के 6/4 है तो 6/4 means 3/2 है 2 3/2 है. Therefore equation of the line OP. So equation of line OP लिख दूसरी equation of line OP is y equal to mx. देखो ए लाइन टा जेतु ओरिजिन पास करछि you can apply directly the formula y equal to mx. Here m equal to slope of OP होछि केते 3/8 तो y equal to 3/8x and equation of OQ is y equal to mx. Here m टा केते होछि 3/2. So y equal to 3/2 into x. That implies y equal to 3/8 into x means 8y. That is our line equation है. Our equation क्या था 8y minus 3x equal to 0. और a line equation होची 2y minus 3x equal to 0. 8y. So 2y minus 3x equal to 0 and other is 8y minus 3x equal to 0. These are the two lines passing through the origin and trisected to the length of the person. Next question, find the equation of a line passing through the point -2, 3 and is such that its portion between the axis is divided at this point in the ratio 2:1. कौन बुझल ना देखो आमे जो लाइन रो इक्वेशन बाहर करिया से लाइन टा ए पॉइंट देर पास करछि ना नहीं ए जो पॉइंट देर पास करछि ए पॉइंट आगा कोऑर्डिनेट एक्सिस को जतलो डिवाइड करछि जतलो लाइन टा कोऑर्डिनेट एक्सिस को इंटरसेप्ट करछि ना हले इंटरसेप्ट करला परे से लेंथ ऑफ द पोर्शन को दिस पॉइंट डिवाइडेड इन द रेशियो 2:1. लेंथ ऑफ द पोर्शन को लाइन टा जो इक्वेशन बाहर करिया से लाइन टा कोऑर्डिनेट एक्सिस से इंटरसेप्ट करछि इंटरसेप्ट कला परे जो जति के अंश इंटरसेप्ट करछि सेति के अंश को ए पॉइंट टा 2:1 रे इंटरसेप्ट करछि. ओके देखो we draw this figure. This is the coordinate axis. Suppose the equation of the line is this one. Intercepted between the coordinate axis means we take the equation of the line in intercept form. Capital A be the x intercept of the line and B be the y intercept of the line. This is the origin. Suppose the x intercept of the line is A and y intercept of the line is B. Required line da by required line रो x intercept आनले A y intercept आनले B तो B point कोऑर्डिनेट क्या चला 0, B A point कोऑर्डिनेट आला A, 0. So the equation of the line is x by A plus y by B equal to 1. हला ए जो लाइन ना एम दर पॉइंट देर पास करछि को पॉइंट देर पास करछि ना -2, 3 पॉइंट देर पास करछि and this point divide the length of the portion intercepted between the coordinate axis in the ratio 2:1. ए पॉइंटा ए बी लेंथ ऑफ द पोर्शन को 2:1 इंटरसेप्ट करछे ए बी केते करछे केते रेशियो डिवाइड करछे ना 2:1 हला 2:1 एटू थी 2:1 सो 2:1 हेले इक्वेशन रे केते से पचाचे ओके आंसर let equation of line is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Here we take the equation required line is intercept form. It is intercept form because the line intercepted between the coordinate axis. Okay. Achha. This point minus 2 comma 3 since this point minus 2 comma 3 divided AB in the ratio 2:1 in the ratio 2:1. So minus 2 comma 3 equal to minus 2 comma 3 equal to 2:1 इंटरनल डिवीजन फॉर्मूला पकड़ बाहर कर से पॉइंटा केते होची तो 1 into a plus 2 into 0 by 1 plus 2 comma है 1 into 0 plus 2 into b by 1 plus 2 है so a by 3 comma 2b by 3 that होची minus 2 comma 3 that implied a by 3 equal to minus 2 that 2 by 3 equal to 3 that implied a equal to minus 6 b equal to 9 by 2 b equal to 9 by 2 so putting the value of a and b in equation 1 eta ko equation 1 naba putting this value in equation 1 okay that implied x by minus 6 plus y by 9 by 2 equal to 1 hala that implied minus x by 6 plus 2y by 9 equal to 1 hala so 9 और 6 LCM होचे 9 तो सॉरी आसो 18 आसो ना कि तो 6 3 जा minus 3x plus 9 2 4y equal to 1 that implied minus 3x plus 4y equal to 18 that implied 3x minus 4y plus 18 equal to 0. This is the required line, equation of required line, and this line passing through the point minus 2 comma 3 and such that this point intercepted in the ratio 2:1 to the coordinate length of the portion. Okay, so using this concept of straight line, you can do these test problems or in your textbook or study material also. In next class, we will discuss another concept and some problem. Thank you.